हेलो स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 7th स्टैंडर्ड। चलिए आज हम लेसन 5th साइंस सब्जेक्ट का फूड सेफ्टी इस लेसन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखते हैं। इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने के पहले मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा यह चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट हो तो कमेंट कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए जिससे बहुत सारे बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके। चलिए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स बाय यूजिंग द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो। यहाँ कुछ हमें ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, उन्हें चूज़ करके हमें यह जो ब्लैंक्स हैं उन्हें करेक्ट करना है। तो इसमें हमें ऑप्शंस हैं इरेडिकेशन, डिहाइड्रेशन, पास्चराइजेशन, नेचुरल, केमिकल। और ए दिया है हमें ड्राइंग द फूड ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम फार्म्स अंडर द हॉट सन इज कॉल्ड, तो हम उसे लिखेंगे डिहाइड्रेशन। बी है मटेरियल्स लाइक मिल्क आर इंस्टेंटली कोल्ड आफ्टर हीटिंग अप टू अ सर्टन हाई टेम्परेचर, दिस मेथड ऑफ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन इज कॉल्ड पास्चराइजेशन। ओके। सी है salt is a natural type of food preservative. D. Vinegar is a chemical type of food preservative. Next है question second. Answer the following question in your own words. A है उसमें How is milk pasteurized? Milk किस तरह pasteurized होता है? Answer is the milk is heated up to 80 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes and cooling it quickly. This destroys the microbes present in the milk and it keeps for a longer duration. B. Why should we not consume adulterated food materials? So the answer is we should not consume adulterated food materials. Different types of adulterants affect our health in different ways. Some adulterants cause abdominal discomfort or poisoning, while some may affect the functioning of some organs if consumed over a long period of time or even cause cancer. C. What precautions do your parents take to keep foodstuffs safe? Answer. For keeping the foodstuffs safe, first, adopting various methods of safe storage of food like freezing, drying, boiling, airtight packing, etc. Second, adopting measures to prevent food wastage and spoilage. Third, they check the expiry date of bottled, canned, packed food and use within that time. D. How does food spoilage occur? Which are the various factors spoiling the food? Answer. Food spoilage occur due to some causes. First, wrong, careless transportation of foodstuff can cause food spoilage. Second, improper storage cause food spoilage. Third, some factors are responsible to make some food perishable, for example, milk, meat. Fourth, microorganisms from air, water enters into food and cause them spoil. Next question, which methods of food preservation would you use? Answer, we should use various methods of safe storage of food like freezing, drying, boiling, airtight packing, etc. Question third. What shall we do? A. There are vendors selling uncovered sweetmeats in open places in the market. Answer. We never eat such type of uncovered food. We must also tell the other people to avoid such uncovered food. Such food is contaminated and bad for health. We should make complaint against such vendors in local municipality. B. A pani puri wala is serving the pani puri with dirty hands. Answer. This type of pani puri is contaminated. Such contaminated pani puri may cause infection in our stomach. So tell other people also not to eat such food. Next, we have purchased a large quantity of fruits and vegetables. Answer. We should wash and make clean all the fruits and vegetables. If they are perishable, keep them in refrigerator. If not possible, keep them in basket and cover it with cloth or paper. If not possible, keep them in basket and cover it with cloth or paper. D. We need to protect foodstuff from pests like rats, cockroaches, wall lizard, etc. Answer. The foodstuffs should be stored in a safe and clean place. The place of storage should be protected and covered. Question 4. Find the odd man out. Salt, vinegar, citric acid, sodium benzoate. So, salt is odd one. B. Lakhi dal, brick dust, maternal yellow. Answer is, and turmeric powder is also given. So, turmeric powder is odd one. Next, banana, apple, guava, almond. So, the almond is odd one because all three are fruits. Next, storing, freezing, settling, drying. So, storing is odd one. Now, question 5th. Complete the chart below. Serial number is given, foodstuff is given, and adulterant is given. So, if foodstuff is turmeric powder, adulterant is maternal yellow. Second, black pepper. Then adulterant is seeds of papaya. Third, rava. Adulterant is iron filling. Fourth, ice cream. Adulterant, washing powder, paper pulp. Question 6. Explain why this happens and suggest possible remedies. A. Qualitative wastage of food. So, why this happen first we will see. The quality of food deteriorate in qualitative wastage. There are some reasons of wastage. Using wrong methods for protection of food. Using excess food preservatives. Overcooking of food. Washing fruits and vegetables after cutting. Miscalculation of the time required to transport food from producers to consumers. Mishandling of fruits like grapes and mangoes. Now, remedies. Make proper storage facilities. Correct the methods of vegetable cutting and cooking. Handle the fruits and vegetables with proper care. B. The cooked rice is underdone. Answer. When proper quantity of water is not added at the time of cooking rice, it may remain underdone. Remedy. Add some more hot water in it and cook it again for some time. C. The wheat that was bought is a bit moist. Answer. This may happen in two conditions. During rainy season, because of humid climate, wheat becomes moist if proper storage facility is not available. And second, wheat becomes moist because of improper transportation. So remedy is, it should be dried in sun for 3-4 times or 3-4 days. Store them in airtight, dry containers. Next, the taste of yogurt is too sour, slightly bitter. Answer. If yogurt is stored for long time, it becomes sour. If temperature is improper, then also curd becomes sour or bitter. So remedy, if it is bitter, do not use it. सी ये वाला जो आपका क्वेश्चन है वो डबल रिपीट हुआ है ना। तो आप एक ही पेज फॉलो कीजिए। सो द इफ कर्ड बिकम्स, हमने यहाँ पर क्या देखा कि इफ़ इट इज़ बिटर डू नॉट यूज़ इट, एंड इफ़ इट इज़ बिकम सोर then add some water and sugar and make buttermilk. Next, cut fruits have turned black. Answer, because of chemical reaction, cut fruits have turned black. Remedy, after cutting, store the fruit in airtight container. So these are your question answers.